Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So hold on a second because the chimes are really, they're just too close to my greenhouse. So I am working on making an indoor arrangement for my table. So most of these plants, I believe they're going to do super well there. With the lighting situation there, it's just bright light. The only one I'm unsure of that I haven't officially decided to 100% use is the rainbow bush. I don't know if it's going to keep its color or start to stretch out. That's the only thing I am unsure of. I had to record from this angle because really this, if I put you in a different angle, like looking up down, the big euphorbia here is just going to be in the way. So I went ahead and decided to do what I told you guys about breaking down the arrangement that I just got. I want to make this arrangement like ridiculously full. Like I want it to look like, you know, that is like a ridiculously packed arrangement. Like it grew like that, you know, like if it's overgrown. That is what I'm going for, but I'm having a hard time with these because I don't know if I want them to face this way or that way, or how close do I want them to the euphorbia. So I'm undecided exactly what. I know I want to put this beautiful Haworthia in here, this variegated Haworthia somewhere in here. I really like Haworthias. I have another one that I got from the Succulent box. Probably use this one as well. I need color as well in here. Initially I was going to put this on the side and not make it come out the middle, but I'm unsure now. I don't know. You know what? Let's see. Yeah, maybe I'm gonna have to pack it. I'm undecided how this is gonna look, so yeah. Where is it? I don't know if this is gonna look good or not. You know what? I should try to make it look good from all angles, but I don't know if that's possible. We'll see. Oops. Oh, I'm so sorry. I hit her. I'm so sorry. Okay. Let's see. So I have a big Echeveria lilacina that supposedly I'll show you because I don't think I have one in here. Supposedly it is an Echeveria lilacina. It had when I bought it, I saw that it said Echeveria lilacina on it. This one does look slightly different than mine, so let me just let me look again here. Okay, here I do have one. This beautiful overgrown arrangement. Okay, so that one in the middle there with the light pink gray colors and the pointy leaves, that is an Echeveria lilacina. This is the one that for my experience does well in bright light and also low light. It does well in both. It does not stretch. It has not stretched out for me at all ever. And I've had it inside my house by the sliding door. So supposedly this is one. I don't know for sure. What I'm gonna do is I am gonna use this, but as soon as I see some stretching, I'm gonna have to pull it out and just redo this arrangement because I really love it. I don't want it to stretch on me, out on me, so I don't know. But yeah, I mean, if this does well in there, that will be awesome if it doesn't stretch out. I just don't know because now this is gonna be like empty here, so that's my problem. That's the problem I'm having. Height issues. Height. Okay, maybe I need height here. Like this. Maybe this can give me the height that I want. Yeah, I don't think I'll be able to. You know what? I'm gonna have to get another one of these. I have another one. I think 3 would be better. It's hot. Very, very hot. Okay, so I'm gonna use this beautiful hedgehog aloe. These need water really bad because they've been sitting out without. There you go. That is so much better because it's so much fuller. Definitely better. Need more soil. So far, guys, I haven't changed my soil. It's the same soil that I always use, the Miracle-Gro cactus soil. Yeah, that's what I've been using for a long, long time. And turfus. Let me tell you, this Lazy Susan makes planting so much easier. Right there. And now I'm just going to backfill. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to backfill. I don't know if that's a word. I mean, I know it's a word, but I don't know if that's a term that people use. But to me, backfill would be adding the soil through the back and moving it towards the front. And making sure that the roots are covered. There we go. Okay, nice. So here's this side. So now I'm gonna add this beauty back here, and then you have something to look at from the back. After this, I will be watering these because it's been pretty hot here and that aloe's been out, so it does need some water. And I'm gonna pull the flower off of that one. Okay, so a lot of roots, lots. You know what? I can trim them. I've done it before and it's okay. I have to trim them because they're just in the way. She'll be fine. She'll be just fine. Guys, whenever you want an update on an arrangement, anyone that I have done in the past, just ask me and I will gladly update you guys. Also fill this through here. Just push it in. Push it in like that. It is hot. I had to, ooh, no. My no wonder my shade cloth blew back. I had to put up my shade cloth because it's been pretty hot, so that's not good. Wow, I can't believe I just noticed that. Okay, those roots are completely covered. And so I'm gonna try this what is it called? Rainbow bush. this rainbow bush. I'm going to try it out in here and see how it does. And if it does well, then good. If it doesn't, if the color starts to... I mean, if it turns green, it's not a big deal. But the reason I am adding it here is for color, right? So, yeah. I need to fix my shade. How did it even blow back there? Arrangement, how it turned out, I really like it. So that is a hedgehog aloe, Horthia, Echeveria lilacina, some pearls, another Horthia. Well, it's a, I think it's, yeah, it's part of the Horthia, but it's a zebra plant. And this one is part of the Bromelia family. Someone told me this is a variegated type of zebra plant as well, and then a rainbow bush. So yeah, I think that this will do pretty well inside. This can be placed inside on top of my table inside. If this is the same Echeveria lilacina as the one that I have had indoors before, it should not stretch. But if it does start to stretch, all I have to do is pull it out and replace it with something else. And I know that maybe the rainbow bush will no longer have the pink, I believe. So that's about it. Yep. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And hit that bell button so you'll be notified every time I post a video. Thank you guys. Have a blessed day.